Hi, good day. Today is Tuesday, May 13. And we're going to Oriental Mindoro for today kasi magsasample collection kami ng aming thesis. And we are studying about schistosoma. Yung sample naman ay water. And I'm here with my teammates. Hi! Yan si Somi. Ito si Ash. Yan. Happy breakfast! So, sa Batangas Port tayo, tas Calapan. So, ang mangyayari is, bababa kami ng Batangas Port and then it's gonna take 3 hours from here. Sumakay kami from Buendia. Supposedly magkukubang kami but we just took this terminal here sa Buendia kasi we're not sure kung gaano ka-heavy yung traffic for today. So, it's a good choice. Nandito kami pumunta. Hindi sa Cubao. And after that, sasakay kami ng fast craft from Batangas Port to Calapan. And then sa Calapan, andun ko kukunin yung car na i-drive ko for later. So see you, I'm so excited. And anyway, just to give you an idea on what we're doing here pala. We are testing DNA of Schistosoma japonicum dun sa Victoria, Oriental Mindoro. Since endemic dun yung Schistosoma, this is the reason why we are testing the water. So, good luck kung may makikita tayo. And then, so before we schedule this sample collection, we had a training sa University of the Philippines, Diliman, sa Institute of Biology. So, sila, Sophie, yung nag-train for the sample collection sa pag-preserve ng samples. So, yan, lahat ng processes on how to collect and preserve the DNA. Sila nakakalam nun. And then, me and yung isa namin ka-groupmate, si Thea, ay nakatoka na mag-run ng conventional PCR. So, we're also done with our training last week. And once nakolect na namin yung DNA this day, or tomorrow rather, then we're gonna run the sample or i-extract muna yung sample or i-extract yung DNA sa sample na kukunin namin on Friday, and then by Saturday we will run the PCR testing. And good luck. So see you in a few. Tayo bibili sa Ocean Fast. So actually kanina, when we were there sa Fast Craft, 1 p.m. nakalagay pero may delay doon ng 30 minutes, so it's gonna be 1:30. Ngayon tinatanong ko kung may iba pa bang mga fast craft fast craft na mga ano ba yun, brand-based fast craft or hindi ko alam. Basta yung mga mabibilis na mga tawag dito, boat or whatever. Hindi sinasabi sa akin. Ang ending, tagal namin sa pila. Ngayon, sinabi niya na meron pala dito sa dulo. So, ayan, makakahabol tayo. 11 yung departure nitong Ocean Fast. O, diba? Lagot. We're currently running. Kasi 11 na. Ba't na lang pa na ipasok yung pushcart? Run, run, run! Naka-ready na ba?
Ready na? Kala mo, saya-saya. Ang gagawin natin, nagkukuha ng parasite. Sabi, nagpaalam ako sa ano. Sabi, enjoy daw. Sabi ko, hindi ko
Paano mag-enjoy?
Kuha po kami ng parasite.
Ang init. Very mainit. How's your first time?
Nasa...
Massage chair.
Nakalimutan ko ba? Ganun lang yung katawan ko talaga.
Welcome to Calapan City, Oriental Mindoro. One, two, three, go. Team Shisto! Ayan. Video ka na.
Ang pipindutin ko, kuya.
Naka-record na yan.
Naka-record na pa.
Naririnig
Naririnig pa.
na red. Yan yun. Tapos yung parang button na circle. Yan yun.
Hi, Somi.
Nakakatakot naman itong mga truck dito. Kita mo yan?
Kaya nga.
Ang bibilis.
Saka may mga blind spot,
Parang,
no?
Oo. Akala mo, kitang-kita niya lahat eh, no? Kaloka siya.
Ang saya namin pero yung kanta ganyan.
Ang lungkot ng kanta pero ang saya namin. Okay, see your next song.
Para naman akong ano dito. Pagdala ko yung iPad, mukha akong iPad kid dito sa likod.
Tapos, kung gusto, ayan, marunong ka pa naman. Perfect, galing mo dyan.
Perfect.
So, fart na yan.
Bawal na mag-usap, may camera. Bawal na muna. Ngiti-ngiti lang. Paano na siya isa-stop, kuya?
Yung color red
Red.
ba yan or circle
Red.
na? So we're here at Bayan ng Victoria. Ayan. Oriental Mindoro. So, tatanungin na muna natin ang lokal na pamahalaan. Let's go for the go. Grabe ang init. Panginoon ko, sayang yung Kojik. Ayan, tara na. Sana may mag-accommodate sa atin, no?
Walang kalat.
Oo nga, no? Ang linis-linis.
Parang sa Quezon.
Ay, naka-on pala yung mga sasakyan na to. Uy. Alam niyo ba guys, sobrang excited ko dito pumunta. Oh, naka-shells na ako, di ba? Napapansin ninyo. So, pasok na tayo. I was able to speak with the RHU doctor here. Naka-assign. Or we were able pala. So, buti na lang accommodating sila. Super accommodating talaga nila dito. Ang kailangan namin today is puntahan yung barangay. Paalam, mag-i-email lang kami ulit. And then, kasi may nakapunta na pala ditong students from Tokyo University. They've studied Oncomelania Japanensis, whatever. So yan, imbitahan tayo ng
Kain kayo.
fiesta here. Ito.
At fiesta naman.
So thank you so much. Free food tayo. Hello. So, nagkakagulo na sila sa hatian.
Settled na po sa split.
Or settled down. Or settled down. So, next station natin ay Puerto Galera. Kasi bukas tayo babalik ulit dun sa
Ipakita
location.
mo ang shopping natin.
Ah, yes, please. Nag-shopping muna tayo bago. Tingnan na. Patingin.
Wala na lang yan.
Kamog.
Hindi na lang kami pang share.
So, wala talaga sa plan namin today ang mag-swimming.
Wala yun sa budget na binigay
Yes. Dahil ang...
free lunch kami.
Yes. Pero, thank God talaga nakalibre kami din kasi fiesta pala. Thank you so much sa Bambanin. Bambanin Victoria, Oriental Mindoro. Naswertehan tayo doon. My God. Say by the bell. So, bukas tayo babalik ulit doon. Mag-interview and mag-collect ulit ng sample. And then, so, challenging yun kasi if filter siya, medyo maraming atake. 'Di ba? So, magpapakasaya muna tayo for today's video doon sa Puerto. So, see you. Bye!
Bye, guys. Tayo na siya, guys.
Yes. Sasabihin niya, pwede ka doon.
Isa tulog na. Hindi ko pwede tulog kasi kay Alvin dahil baka antokin din siya.
Totoo. Yun yung
lang kami.
Yun yung nakakatuwa. Kasi pag nalaman, tatanungin ka, kung talo pa ako, Kap? Sabi ko, may dahil nitnoy, Kap.
Ang galing mo naman, nakukuha mo yung tone nila. Yun yung mahirap, kuya, yung
yan
tone
ang akala nila. Kasi yung tone, akala nila, ako tayo na nagkakeme-keme. No, sobrang amazing nung pag-aralan yung language nila. Kasi, parang may siya yung level of difficulty, parang may pagka-Chinese. Kasi, mali lang yung pronunciation mo sa isang word or sa isang letter.
Wala na yung buong word.
Hindi naman
meaning.
Mali ang meaning. Oh my gosh. Ang saya. Kaya lagi ko talagang sinasabihan, sinasabi sa tita ko na sobrang laki ng influence niya sa akin, sa amin. So yung kapatid ko nagdo-doktor, tapos yung isa kong ate, respi.
Ay, ganun.
Oo.
Respiratory
therapist.
Yeah.
Kaya ang laki talaga ng... Ay, sorry po.
Para tayo nasa race card. Kita niyo ba yun, guys? So scary. Ang galing ni Kuya Alvin mag-drive namin.
Saya.
Makaka-enjoy. Kala mo naglalaro lang ng ano eh.
Yung sa arcade.
Isa mo lang, ay, gising na. Gising na siya.
Ang laglag eh.
Di, umiikot na tayo. Gumising ka na.
Narinig ko na.
Ang ganda, ang ganda, ang ganda. Magnanadin lustre mamaya si Somi.
Oo, kasi inabol po namin yung araw. Guys, sana maabutin.
Pag wala sunrise na lang. Ay!
Oo, pwede.
Eh,
Sabihin natin sila, ma'am.
Pwede naman.
Walang
1
problema
hour
si
lang
Ma'am,
naman.
Inyong suporta.
Alvic Bagood po for mayor.
For Mayor.
Tagal na stop.
Maraming salamat sa inyong suporta. Ako inyong hinalal bilang inyong alkalde. Ito pala yung winner.
Ayan.
Si Ante.
Wala na. Yung mga bata. Asan yung mga bata? Ay ka nga sa kanya, Kuya Alvic.
Ay, tayo nakita.
Loka-loka.
Wala kasi mga
Ay,
bata.
wala.
Ito. Ay, hindi.
Hindi, ano yan eh.
Siyempre, kilala tayo nun.
Sa'yo, hi. Wala, hindi, iba.
Ayan nga, dito lang sila.
But the one is godless forever.
Ito.
Na-traffic pa sa EDSA. Uy, aperang ko daw, aperang ko. Joke lang. Nagtatago si Sol.
Ay, tama yun talaga! Oh my God! Ay, naman na.
Wala, busy siya. Ayang isa. Asan na?
Hanggang dito na lang kasi dito yung dulo eh.
Ay, ka nga kay nanay.
Natatahayin natin sila, nanay. Dapat yung mga nakaalis na sila. Tawa-tawa rin sila.
Hello, good morning. We're back. It's our second day here. So, nandito kami ulit sa Bambanin. Nagsisend lang kami ng letter. Kasi today is our collection. Our sample collection day. Kukulit tayo ng water! Tingnan natin kung may parasite doon. Again, we're checking for the DNA of Schistosoma japonicum. Pupunta na kami ng ilog.
Hi, Somi. Kita ka ba? Hi. We're here sa wrong turn daw. Nasa papunta sa collection site na number 1 at nakalimutan namin ang water.
What's the most important thing?
Tubig. May tubig ka, kuya, di ba? Tubig mo na lang.
Ay, kaso contaminated
Joke
yun.
lang. Hindi na.
Sa bibig ko.
Para na kaming Cara David Fields. Ay,
I-filter ba agad natin? Or maya-maya na?
saan?
Mamaya na lang, collection time na lang.
Wala naman tayong sana. Yun nga, tape para malagay sana yung label. Kunyari, site A, number 1. Picturean ko. Asa ba?
Naglalakad pa rin.
Lakad pa? Search.
Bitbitin na yung baga. Huwag na, hindi muna tayo mag-filter.
Oo.
Sige.
Oo, kasi mahirap din dun sa site. O, ano kaya? Pwede kaya magpasabay muna, sabihin magsabay dyan, kuya, sa motor.
Pabili?
Oo.
So we're done collecting waters. Nilagay na yun sa likod. Kulang lang tayo ng masking tape and distilled water and then yellow. Yun na lang. So we're going back there sa kabila and then, oh.
Kuya, may pwede mong tanong if may...
Sarap niyan, te. Sama nga muna ako sa'yo.
So, we're done. Finally, nakapag-filter na kami at ang dami pang nangyari doon. Pumala yung pump namin or yung vacuum nung filter. So, na-figure out din namin, thanks to ChatGPT, na-fix niya yung issue namin. We're all good. We're heading back to Manila. And then, i-preserve muna namin yung na-filter namin na water. So, hopefully na may DNA na yon, tsaka matetest na namin this Saturday. So for Friday, schedule na for extraction ng DNA. So for tomorrow, matutulog muna ang mga DNA doon sa Quezon City sa bahay ni Ash. And yun lamang. Thank you so much sa pagsama sa amin, and we enjoy so much sa research na to. Ang daming mga naganap nangyari sa 2 days namin dito sa Oriental Mindoro. Thank you so much for watching. What about you, girls? Do you have something to say?
I miss Maynila.
ikaw, Sophie.
Oh, dahil ko namiga.
That's na talaga kaming lahat. If you notice, grabe na to the highest level yung eye bags, yung stress, tapos wala na rin akong boses. And see you. Bye! Hi y'all! Today is Saturday. It's May 17. We're here at UP Diliman. And we're having our lunch here at Good Food. So I'm having original pad thai, and you're having what?
The vegetarian one.
We also have this, what do you call this? The mango sticky rice.
It's yummy.
Very yummy. Legit siya. Tapos yon, the burger. The best. It's the best.
Juicy. Ang sarap. Ang sarap niya.
Yeah, very juicy. So we're here pala because
We're doing our research.
so this is a continuation of my vlog from Oriental Mindoro. Kasi
Oh, you vlogged din dun.
so siya yung hindi nakasama for some reason. And then yung isa naming kasama na hindi nakauwi din. Kasi nga walang biyahe from Quezon. So again, we're detecting the DNA of Schistosoma japonicum.
On?
So, I want you to run through of what we've done today.
First, the reagent mix. I'm the one who is
Assigned.
assigned doing the reagent mix, and then after the reagent mix,
What do you use para i-mix yung mga reagent?
Should I?
H2O.
okay, nucleus-free water, yung primers natin,
Anong primers yun?
yung forward,
Specific for
Schistosoma?
for Schistosoma japonicum and forward and reverse. COI, forward and then reverse. What else?
the green master mix,
Green master mix.
2x GMM.
So she was just
Ano ba?
mixing that inside the
PCR.
biosafety cabinet with precision. With precision. Okay.
Nagkakamali ako, guys.
For some reason.
For some reason, yung una kong try, nagkulang siya. Nagkulang siya.
So what did you do?
Dinivide namin yung control, yung positive control and then yung negative control.
We have the positive negative control for now.
We only have one positive control and then two negative control.
So after she's mixing the reagents, ako yung nakatoka sa
DNA.
pagdagdag nung DNA sa kasi
Reagent.
nasa PCR tube na kasi siya. And then nandun ako sa pangalawang biosafety cabinet. So I was the one who's pipetting the DNA of the extract the DNA that was done yesterday with my group mates then, teammates. And then there were 2 batch kasi nag-replicate kami. And then after that, you were doing the gel.
The agarose gel. So, mag-mix lang ng agarose gel and then yung
With TBE.
TBE, what does it stand for?
Kalimutan ko ba sa tatlong
Basta yung TBE yun. And then
It's
the
a
red
solution.
dye. Ano the red dye? What do you call the red dye?
Oil red.
Oil red. Yeah, it's all red.
So what's the purpose of the oil red?
I don't know. You answer.
The purpose of the oil red is to separate the DNA. Kasi 'di ba? If we put the gel sa illuminator, mag-shift siya. And then magi-green yung
Siya yung parang indicator sa ilaw.
siya yung indicator sa ilaw. Kasi nga from the reagent, from the green master mix, siya yung identifier na nandun yung DNA. So,
Sana meron kaming ma-detect na DNA.
so that we can help the locals then in Oriental Mindoro.
Real.
So, before we head to our lunch, it's called the PCR amplification, yung thermal.
Amplification.
Yeah. We are amplifying the DNA. So, the steps there naman, for the initial denaturation, we have 94 degrees Celsius for 2 minutes. And then 35 cycles ng denaturation, annealing, extension, or elongation. So, different temperature. For denaturation, 88 degrees, 10 seconds. Annealing, 55 degrees, 30 seconds. Extension, 68 degrees for 30 seconds. And then, yung final extension is 72 degrees for 7 minutes. So, kaya kami nag-lunch for now. And then, after that,
Ilan ng hours? Ilan hour natin? 1 hour.
1 hour and 40 minutes.
So, dapat, nandun na kami ng 140?
Not 40.
140. 122 na guys.
Huh?
No.
We have another order na hindi pa dumarating.
Ano yun?
Yung Mongolian.
Oh my God! Tapos meron pa ako nito. Sabi sa'yo eh.
Di ba?
Okay lang yan. Tag-uubos na to.
We were so lucky na tinanggap kami dito sa UP Diliman because we were from different university.
We're so accommodating, no?
They are. Yeah, but the vibe is so different here. Very accepting, very warm.
Maubos ko na.
Lutong ka nga.
Sabi sa'yo.
What's the last two process that we are going to do later?
Yung sa gel electrophoresis and then the UV
Eliminator. So during the gel electrophoresis, what we're gonna do is we are going to load the DNA doon sa gel na prepare kanina, and it is where we're going to onion. It is where we're going to see the DNA na magko-color siya dun sa gel, and it's gonna turn out yellow. If we will positively find out the DNA sa water sample namin, our thesis will be endorsed to DOH.
Hopefully.
And wishing na the best research.
Yeah, we're aiming for that. Ano mo? Lumahimik kami kasi usap yung pagkain.
So we went here kasi last time, sige lang, the first time na pumunta tayo dito,
Hindi ko kumain.
hindi tayo kumain dito, hindi ako kumain. So ngayon kumain na kami kasi nirecommend sa amin to dito ng staff na tumutulong sa amin doon sa laboratory. So if you can notice, we are not filming inside the laboratory or within the vicinity of laboratory because we're not allowed to do that, and of course to respect the laboratory din.
Privacy na lang.
Privacy, respect the privacy.
Kahit gustuhin man namin for remembrance, we cannot.
Kasi technically, they're not a servicing laboratory. You just cater our thesis kasi dito sa Institute of Biology, one of the professor, he is a doctor, and he believes na if there is someone who is willing to collaborate or willing to work inside their laboratory, they're going to cater them because
I think it's going to rain.
yeah, I guess hindi pa. So he's going to cater daw kasi especially this parasite, it's a neglected disease here in the Philippines. So he's really willing to help out like students researching like with different nematodes, like about the parasitology or biology. So it's a good thing. So good job to them. I'm not sure kung pwede sila i-promote or whatever, but yeah, we were really grateful na in-accept kami yung thesis namin. Recently, they have students then from Ateneo de Manila who conducted a study here. So, ang saya. After our lunch, we'll get back to you guys later. Kasi we will have the result mo. Oh my God.
Sana meron talaga. Kasi pag wala, ewan ko na lang.
Hi, we're back. We're on our way back to the laboratory. At ang init.
Sobra.
As you can see, we're so hulas. Yucks!
Hindi na kaya mag-grab kasi
Yeah.
we're out of time.
Out of time na, mag-aantay pa. So,
We're supposed to be there 11:40 and it's
1:40.
oh yeah, sorry, 1:40 and it's
Quarter to 2 na.
no, it's 2.
It's 2 p.m. na
2:07
pala.
na.
Oh my God, we're late.
We're super late. I like the scenery here.
I know. So, look at this.
But the scenery is so nice.
I know.
It's so green, right?
The greenery of UP. So while we're working here, we are crossing our fingers if what's gonna be the result kasi maglo-load na kami ng DNA sa gel. So yung gel, doon may read yung DNA. Kung may remnants ng DNA doon sa water sample namin. So just to make it simple lang, again, we're using water as our sample to check if my Schistosoma japonicum. It's one of the neglected diseases here, or tropical disease sa Philippines kasi hindi siya pinaglalaanan ng masyadong maraming pondo kasi hindi, wala, ay paano ba? Like less yung nai-infect but still may mga numbers of being infected, may mga endemic places. So yeah. We are one of the catalysts for change.
Wow.
We want to be the game changer. So here ang Institute of Biology. So if you'd like to conduct your PCR testing, you may visit their laboratory here in UP.
This is the way, or
Yeah, we can go this way naman. But we're not allowed to film inside. So, just here outside lang. And then, we will let you know the result later. Alligator. So, this is the main entrance.
oh, this is the main entrance.
I thought nga the main entrance is the other way eh.
Then what's
Back
oh my
entrance.
God, that's the back entrance. It doesn't look like the back entrance.
I know. Hi. So we're here
Guess
at...
what? Guess what, guys?
Ay nako, guess what? What's the result?
Nag-invalid yung result namin.
Yeah, invalid siya because...
Hindi nagpakita ng band dun sa positive control. Which is important yung
So you
positive
explain
control.
kung ano yung positive control. What is it for? What's the purpose? Sa positive control, doon natin malalaman yung positive na may lang DNA doon. Okay. So yun, no positive control, but the positive control naman daw is perfectly fine, but it so happened during our test hindi lang lumabas yung band mo doon. Ibig sabihin po nung band is yung parang band na gano'n, like, parang line, yung katulad sa pregnancy test na magla-line siya. So parang ganun po siya doon. So walang nag-line doon sa positive control. Wala din sa negative control. So technically wala talaga dapat 'yon. And then for our DNA samples, nagkaroon siya ng faint line, but again, since walang band ang positive control, so invalid ang result regardless kung anong lalabas doon sa...
So there's no conclusion.
Correct. Now the next step is to rerun the sample. So we have to consult our teammates or group mates if they would want to proceed for the rerun, kasi there will be two options if we will rerun for the PCR or the real time. So sa real time, it's gonna be so quick. For one day lang. Same lang din dito. One day lang din. Pero mas mabilis yun. But it's gonna be a bit expensive than what we've done today, which is the conventional PCR. So if we want to rerun for PCR again, it's gonna be done tomorrow. But if we would like to rerun
For
with
real
real time or for real time, could be on Monday or
up to Wednesday.
up to Wednesday.
Between those days. But
So,
we need the result within on 21 on Wednesday.
oo nga, kasi it's the initial submission of the manuscript. And then the following week is the defense. Diba?
Wala pa kami result. Then magdi-defense na. Anong gagawin namin?
The time is too tight, so we really have to work this out. We really need to decide tonight. So I'm gonna be sending an update to my group mates today, right after we get home, para they would know na we need to decide immediately on what's gonna be the next.
Kasi hindi din naman namin pwedeng iwan na invalid yung
Result.
So I don't know if hindi sila pumayag. I don't know.
So for now, we don't have the answers yet. We don't want to conclude yet kung ano yung decisions ng 3 kasi we're 5 in our group. So let's see what's gonna happen and we will update you. Alright. So
Stress ako.
detect pa more. Pero masaya.
Masaya siya.
Super saya. So we will update you what's...
And then, sabi pa nung isang staff sa amin, the duration daw, dapat talaga ng pag-experiment na to is for 1 semester.
Yes. So it's like
Ginawa
4 or 5
namin
months.
siya. Ginawa namin siya for single day. 1 day only.
Yeah.
Like, what?
Kaya she's like, skeptic na, how can we do this in one
1
day?
day.
Kasi it's her whole thesis.
It
Yung
took her
stuff na nag-help
months.
sa amin.
It took her months.
Tapos kami 1 day lang, ano yun?
Magic.
Kaya mo yun?
Paswertehan. Ano ba yun?
So yeah. Good luck! Good luck! Iiyak na lang. But fighting. Laban Japan. Kakayanin.
Kakayanin.
Shistosoma Japonico, madedetect ka din. So yun yung dinedetect natin. Anyway. So yun lang muna. Thank you so much for watching. And bye for now. Hi!
Hello.
Are you excited for the final defense?
I'm kinda nervous right now.
Ikaw, anong nararamdaman mo?
Fine?
Ikaw, anong message mo?
Pwede siya muna. Acknowledgement.
Ikaw, anong nararamdaman mo?
In this section, nakaka-overwhelm. Overwhelm.
Ikaw?
I'm not pressured at all.
Congratulations po, hindi po kami naging bangkay tatlo.
Muntik lang.
Muntik lang po. So anyway, thank you so much sa pag-aabang na matapos to. So today is our final day, final defense. And ida-defend na namin yung aming research. So, yes.
Kasi di pa kami bayad.
Open for donation.
Open for donation po kami. Okay na okay lang po ang 30,000.
30,000 each.
Hindi 30,000 bibigyan.
40K.
So thank you so much and hopefully we will ace this one. And sila mag-i-intern na. So congratulations in advance. Yay!
Graduate na rin sa research.
Woo! And yun lang. See you later. So we will update you on...
Bye, guys.
Bye.
Meron ba yung ano?
This is defended! Congratulations!
So, minimal changes lang tayo. At anong mga changes yan?
Recommendations only.
And
And what?
recommendations lang.
Yun na.
So, for recommendations, then we're all good. We print na and go for hardbound. Yay! Congratulations and thank you so much for watching. Bye!